Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the family and we are going to look at it as the social organization. So a family, what is meant by family? Family is a group of biological related individuals. So a group of, they are biologically related individuals and they are living under the same roof and eating the same common kitchen. So they are under same roof, as well as they are eating common kitchen. They are eating common from common kitchen. So it is the most primary and the basic unit of society. It is a primary and basic unit of what? Of the society. Then there is a basic and an arbitrary model of a family cycle. So there is a basic as well as a arbitrary. So there is a basic as well as arbitrary model, and this is of a family cycle. So the first phase being there is formation. So the first phase will be the formation. So the formation, what is the beginning of formation? The beginning of formation will be the marriage, and the end will be to the birth of the first child. Next, there is extension. So extension means the birth of first child to the birth of last child. Then we look at the complete extension. Third one is the complete extension. So there is the birth of the last child to the first child leaves home, till the first child leaves home. Then comes the concept of contraction. So in terms of contraction, the first child leaves home. So it's from the first child leave home to the last child leaves the parental home. So the last child leaves parental home. Then there is a completed contraction. There is a completed contraction. So in completed contraction, the last child, they leave the parental home. It's from the last child which leave the parental home to the death of the first spouse. To the death of the first spouse. So this is a completed contraction. Lastly, there is dissolution. Sixth one being dissolution. So dissolution means the death of the first spouse. So this is death of first spouse, and this is to the death of survivor. Death of the survivor. Now, in detail, let's look at the types of families. So under the type of families, there is a nuclear family. So under nuclear family, or there is an elementary family. So nuclear family or elementary family, they consist of married couple. So they consist of a married couple and their offsprings while they are dependents, and also they are offsprings. While they are dependents. So the term new family is applied when the nuclear families are younger than 10 years. So the term new family. So new family is applied when the nuclear families are younger than 10 years. So when the nuclear family is younger than the 10 years, and they consist of parents and children, and they have parents as well as children. Then we move on to what is known as a joint family. So under the joint family or the extended family. So joint family or extended family, it consists of a number of married couples. So it contains a number of married couples. So there's a number of married couples and their children who live together in the same household, and also their children. So children live in the same household. They live together, and this will be in the same household. And this is in case of joint family. We saw that a joint family is also known as the extended family. It consists of a number of married couples and the children who live together in the same household, with usually the men being related by blood. They're related by blood, and all property of the joint family is held in common with the family income. So all property of a joint family, it is held common with the family income. So it is common with the family income and going into a common pocket, and it goes in a common pocket. A senior male member is usually the head of the family. So senior male is considered mainly a head of the family, and who makes decisions. So he is the one to make the decisions. There are a 3-generation family is one. There's a concept of 3-generation family. The 3-generation family is the one where there are representatives from 3 different generations in one house. So there are 3 different generations in one house. Then there's a communal family is one in which all members play a part in the management. So a communal family is one where all members play a role in management. So all members have a role in the management of the house. So let's look at the functions of a family. The functions of a family will be, first is there's residence. So residence, there can be the patrilocal or the matrilocal. Then comes the division. There's a division of labor. Then there is also the reproduction and raising child. There is reproduction as well as raising child. Then there is socialization as well as the social care. Next, there is also the economical functions. Now, there are problem families. What is meant by problem families? Problem families are those which lag behind the rest of the community. So they lag behind the rest of the community, and this is in terms of the standard and the quality of the life of the members. So it's based on the standard as well as the quality of life of the members. Then there's a concept of the broken family. So what happens in case of a broken family? The broken families are those in which the parental or the family systems has been disturbed by separation. So the parental as well as the family system, they are disrupted, and there can be by separation, divorce or death. They can be by separation, the divorce or by death.